Hello guys, good morning. Today nandito po tayo sa Kaima. So yan po yung katabi ng Freedom Celebrity X Cruise. Celebrity pagbasa niyan.
Also 50 miles an hour, and temperature is 27 Celsius, 81 Fahrenheit. Yesterday it was a beautiful day, a little warmer, but 29 Celsius.
Kakatapos po natin sa trabaho.
Last time for short day,
kailangan tayo pumunta sa Crumis para kumain breakfast.
We can depart on plan at 4 o'clock. And your beautiful day here in important reminder is that we need to have a picture ID. Picture ID is required for you to
ikutin mo natin saglit yung barko. Ikutin natin saglit yung barko. Ayan, nandito tayo sa sa puwitan ng barko sa Alp. Ayan, nandito po pala tayo sa Ayan. Gutom na. Kailangan nang kumain. Pero dog area. Dito yung crew. Ayan. Sige mag-billiard, may bilyaran. Yung back deck.